Do you want to know about this world's first and unique sales workshop which can get you more and more paying customers? Yes, RS Money's 4 pillars for your business growth is world's first and unique workshop. What is unique? 5 unique features are: unique 1. Only 1 or 2 out of 4 pillars are taught by trainers worldwide. So you miss out some of the important pillars. But learning all 4 pillars together through an expert is a boon, and you got it today. Unique 2. It is a proven system being used by 700 plus participants, including trainer himself, as an entrepreneur for his other businesses and also for his clients, all getting outstanding results. Unique 3. The event is affordable, live, interactive and practical with handhold support to create success in your business. Unique 4. Lifetime WhatsApp support. Yes, 4 WhatsApp groups for 4 pillars separately where you get latest updates. Unique 5. You get a chance to enroll you as a member of WOW Business Community for free with existing 700 plus positive-minded entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, trainers, consultants, multi-level marketers, homepreneurs and many more located all over India and a few worldwide. If you are serious to build your business, then this is a must-attend live workshop. If yes, please click on the link below to get your special offer ticket today and get ready to explore 4 pillars for your business growth. Thank you.